Hey, Healthiest Hawks. I want to welcome you to our virtual open house for 2020. I am Ms. Watts, and I teach all of the technology applications courses here. Well, not all, but the majority of them. And we're just going to go over some things about me and my class. Okay, so first things first, I want you guys to know that I've been teaching for approximately 16 years. As you can see, I have my bachelor's, my master's, and I'm currently working on getting my PhD. I absolutely love teaching. I also understand what my parents go through when they have to help their students with homework, and I will tell you why, because I have 4 children. I have a set of twins. I have a teenage son who is like 15 and he's into sports. And I have a daughter who's in college. And my spouse is always completely busy. He's a military vet. So our household is, even though it can be chaotic, it's like I absolutely love it. So I understand what my parents are going through. So hopefully as a teacher, I'm making your home life a little bit better, I hope. Or even just, making positive changes with your kid. That's like the main thing, right? So a couple of things in reference to what I teach. So there are several courses that I teach. So the first course is Principles in Technology. Then I have Principles in Business, Marketing, and Finance. And from there we go to Digital Design and Multimedia Productions. And then we have Touch Data Systems, which is pretty much like your typing course. And then we have the Gateway to Coding. Let me see, I can move this so you guys can see it. And so those are the different courses that I teach this year. And let's see. So if you want a breakdown of what the courses are, so we have the Principles in Technology. That's when your learners are going to learn more about Microsoft Office, investing, budgeting, and also public speaking. As far as the Principles in Business, Marketing, and Finance, your learner will learn basically how to start their own business, and I would say definitely a business that's compatible for a student. They will learn about accounting, they will learn about marketing, they will learn about making different products that would assist them with marketing, budgeting, communication. There's just an array of things that they're going to learn, but most of the things that they'll learn pertains to being a business owner, an entrepreneur. So we also have our Gateway to Coding. These are my students that learn how to actually create a device, and they code a microbit that actually makes that device perform certain duties or tasks. And then the second half of that semester, that's when students learn how to actually develop and create their own working functional app. So for the next course, that's my Digital Design and Multimedia Productions. These particular students learn everything in the Adobe Suite, and they also learn a lot about Microsoft Office as well. So this is where Photoshop comes into play, Illustrator, creating movies, editing movies, things of that sort. Touch Data Systems, once again, that's my typing course. This is where students try their best to increase their accuracy. They try to make sure that as they're learning how to type that they can make functional documents and things of that sort. So we kind of go through different avenues of what typing or the skill of what it can bring to you as far as like how you can make it a successful skill for yourself. Also, wait, I think that was it. Is that all of that? Oh gosh, okay, I explained all of them. So yeah, hopefully this wasn't weird for y'all. But if you have any questions, my name is Ms. Watts, and I would love for you guys to communicate with me. If you ever need anything, please don't ever be afraid to reach out. And remember, we are all in this together, and we're gonna rock 2020 regardless of what happens. So, all right, thank you.